Did you know that giving advice is one of the most common tasks on an OET roleplay? Do you know the right language to use for it? Well, watch this video because I'm going to show you how to give advice. Hi, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET Premium Preparation Providers and OET All-Stars, so you are in the right place for your OET preparation. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, and if you haven't already, check out our website, the link's below. See how we can help you ace your OET exam. Let's begin today's video. During the OET speaking exam, you often need to give advice. Common tasks may include advise, suggest, recommend, stress the importance of. It's important to use appropriate phrases to do this effectively and avoid sounding too direct or like you're giving orders. Let's take a look at some common example phrases for giving advice. It might be a good idea to. It would be better to. Imperative verbs such as use. Try to. It's very important. It's essential that. The strength of advice that you will need to give is also important. The first two could be used as suggestions. Then we have advice with the imperative form and try to. And finally, we have strong advice with it's very important and it's essential that. A good way to practice is to look up common treatment and advice on the NHS website and practice giving advice. Let's take a look at how you could do that now. So you can read and then write phrases for how you could use this in a role play. For example, this has been taken from the NHS website about asthma. It's important that you know how to use your asthma inhaler correctly. Try to do regular exercise, as this shouldn't be a trigger now that you're receiving treatment. Let's take a look at a sample OET roleplay card. We can see that in the tasks, you will have the opportunity to give advice at various points during this roleplay. Let's start with the first, after explaining how gastroenteritis is spread. What phrases for giving advice could you use? Write what you would say in the comments. And here are some ideas. Try to keep your son as hydrated as possible. You should give him watered down, unsweetened fruit juice, and it might be a good idea to offer him electrolyte drinks as well. If you see that your son experiences severe thirst, irritability, lethargy, or pale sunken eyes, then it's really important that you come back and see us. Here are some top tips for giving advice. It's a good idea to build a language bank, so you have specific phrases you can use when you have to give advice during the role play. It's important that you practice giving advice for common conditions in your self-study. Try to use a variety of phrases that are appropriate to the situation and make sure that you're using the right strength of advice. Now, for some extra practice, I would like you to imagine that I have diabetes and I need to do more exercise and lose some weight. What advice can you give me? Let me know in the comments below and use the right phrases. Don't forget to check out our website and see how we can help you with your OET preparation. We've got great subscription packages and also one-to-one lessons. Please like and share with your friends and colleagues so we can help more people achieve success in the OET exam. See you in the next video. Bye! Hi, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses. We are OET Premium Preparation Providers and OET Hi, I'm Jo. Hi, I'm Jo from Specialist Language Courses.